Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures again. I'm going to just give you an update on another one of our coffee strategies. This is FT04, a 75 share bar. Now, the reason why I'm previewing this system is because this one has no overnight risk, so it doesn't hold trades overnight. Now, we know that coffee is a market that closes obviously, and there are times when that market will gap up and down. So if you are looking to trade coffee, looking to hit those bigger numbers as far as profit, but don't want to take any overnight risk, then this is perfect because this one is closing out end of day. So let's have a look at how this system performed over the last couple of weeks, and it's throwing up some really good numbers as well. Slightly higher losing week. Occasionally it'll have a slightly higher losing week, but you can see there that the performance over the last couple of months has been outstanding. Some really good numbers. This week we're up to around 3k. Last week $600, and the week before that $3,000. So it is producing some good numbers as far as profit. The monthly basis, it's just been outstanding. So January and February weren't really very good. That's when it hit its max drawdown. But March, April, May, June, July have all been stellar. April was phenomenal at $20,000. So that's when we had that massive volatility spike in coffee, and you can see that that's been reflected in the strategy. But really, really good numbers. If we have a look at the performance report, you'll see the average trade net profit, while a little bit lower than SN391, it's still 237. The win rate 44%, profit factor of 2.07, 40k of profit over that tested period there, and the drawdown slightly higher at $5,000. But this system has been running really, really well, and just obviously another one of our top strategies. So if we have a look at our top 10 now, because we're ranking our systems based on just overall profit, this system was sitting in 7th place as far as profit, so it did have a place in 10th spot. 7th place, but you can see there with the recent profit that it's made over the last 3 weeks. So it's pulled in about $6,800 in the last 3 weeks. It's moved it up to around 5th place. So it'll be sitting in, with $40,000, it'll be sitting there in 5th place. So that's fantastic. So it jumps just ahead of the FT04 standard strategy, and you can see there that it's tracking really, really well. So we move that up to 5th place now. It goes from 7th to 5th. And that's really the most significant move on the leaderboard. I mean, as far as the systems go, they're all tracking very well. It's been a really good week for coffee. As you can see, our overall portfolio profit for the week has been 14,223. So that's after a fairly overall portfolio is down about $3,000. So it's up 14,000 this week and tracking beautifully. So that was an update there for FT09. Modified strategy, no overnight risk, as I mentioned before. Just sitting up there in 5th spot now, and tracking really well. Cheers. Thanks for joining us today, traders. If you'd like to become part of our team in 2014, all you need to do is contact either myself or Luke at info@gmtfutures.com, and we can get you started pretty much straight away. So if you've always wanted to become a professional trader and you want to start using a high performance automated system, then definitely send us an email, info@gmtfutures.com or shane@gmtfutures.com, or you can either give us a call at 61733600875 and we can get you started straight away. So any questions, feel free to send them through. Otherwise, have a fantastic day, and I look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers.